So my brothers, you need to track your habits. Okay, what habits are you doing regularly? You need to track them, because you will notice as you are tracking, you will notice that there are some habits that are completely useless or they are dragging you down. So by tracking your habits regularly, you can figure which habits you need to drop. It is very hard thing to do, as these are your habits which you have formed for a very long time. But my friend, for improvement, you need to know the art of detachment. Okay, you need to think with the detachment mindset. You need to adapt new things. You need to make changes in your daily habits. That's how you will grow. That's how everything grows. That's the process of evolution, as evolution is the most powerful force. Every single thing from galaxies to atoms goes through evolution every time. Every second, I think, it changes. Okay. So yeah, change really matters. If you want to improve, you can't expect a new result by doing the same old things, right? So you need to go through this change. I want to share the lines from the book, The Almanack of Naval Ravikant. Okay. It's really important to be able to uncondition yourself, to be able to take your habits apart and say, okay, this is a habit I probably picked up when I was a toddler, when you were little, trying to get my parents' attention. Now I have reinforced it and I call it a part of my identity. Does it still serve me? Does it make me happier? Does it make me healthier? Does it make me accomplish whatever I set out to accomplish? So yeah, he talks about asking these type of question about the habit you have. Okay, so by answering these questions, you get to know that is this habit that I have, that I am doing, really beneficial for me. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.